The cities and municipalities comprising the province of Sorsogon in Region 5 or Bicol region. The province of Sorsogon has Sorsogon City as its provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 5 or Bicol region. It is composed of 1 city, 14 municipalities, and 541 barangays. It was founded on October 17, 1894. The total land area is 2,119.01 kilometers squared or 818.15 square miles. The province of Sorsogon is bordered clockwise from the north by Albay, Albay Gulf, Philippine Sea, San Bernardino Strait, Samar Sea, Ticao Pass, Sorsogon Bay, and Burias Pass. Here are the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Sorsogon in Region 5 or Bicol region. We have the municipality of Barcelona comprising 25 barangays, the municipality of Bulan with 63 barangays, municipality of Bulusan with 24 barangays, municipality of Casiguran with 25 barangays, municipality of Castilla with 34 barangays, municipality of Donsol with 51 barangays, municipality of Gubat with 42 barangays, and the municipality of Irosin with 28 barangays. We also have the municipality of Huban with 25 barangays, municipality of Magallanes with 34 barangays, the municipality of Matnog with 40 barangays, the municipality of Pilar with 49 barangays, the municipality of Prieto Diaz with 23 barangays, the municipality of Santa Magdalena with 14 barangays, and the city of Sorsogon as the capital city, the provincial capital with 64 barangays. And that is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Sorsogon in Region 5 or Bicol region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.